I just got here. I'm going to put on some bug spray. Oh no, they're mine. Bug spray, check. The clouds are so depthy. Depthy? They have lots of depth. So that took 45 minutes to walk here. I am in the Crocs. I am in the Daisy shorts. And I'm in my new glasses where you magnetise the sunglasses part on. I reckon it will be about an hour walk through the park, and then depending on mood I'll get the bus home or I'll walk home, and let's hope I get rained on. Wow, the regrowth. I was over here just the other day. The regrowth is mad. Shut the front door. I have to insert some photos / videos of the other day. This was all barren. And now it's all green. Wow. This is ash. And then this is new growth. See, if I didn't treat my hometown like a tourist, I definitely wouldn't have been here, and I definitely wouldn't have seen this and the progress. I'm speechless. This was all black. I think it's been 2 weeks. Today, I'm treating where I live like a tourist. I know, I better ration that. It's too good. I'm literally armed with sun spray, insect repellent, water in a backpack. Going across a bridge. There's footage of me walking through this, getting absolutely soaked. Look at all the cracks in the mud. So dry. This place feels the most fairy tale. Or you have 3 paths. You have big canopy of trees. You have fawns. At night it feels scary. I spent so many hours in these woods. I think it's a really cool place. I don't think a lot of people come over here because there's no like direct access by cars. At least have to walk half an hour in every direction to get here. My poor white socks are going to be black. Starting to get sketchy, and I can hear other people's voices, so I don't want to get embarrassed. Crocs, not the best attire to be wearing for tree climbing. Tree climbing. Bye. Oh no, there's a tree in my pathway. What should I do? Oh yeah, I have knees that bend. I don't think anyone's going to find that funny. That's just my internal monologue coming out. Oh look, a den. Yay. Definitely a tourist move. Ooh. I've never journaled before this year, but I did a writing exercise with my dear friend Carrie. It's just about continuously writing. Doesn't matter what you're writing, but the action of just writing words, whether that's colour red 300 times until you get off of it, is kind of like a out of mind into body experience. This sounds so holistical. It gets you out your head, and it gets past the perfectionism, and it gets past the what's clogging up your brain,
and it enables you to get past like what's, you know, what am I going to cook for dinner tonight? Oh, I've got that on the shopping list and I need to do the washing, and I just send that email, and that invoice gets you tasked all of those immediate tasks to the more kind of like the stuff on the next layer. So I've been really enjoying journaling. So nice just to be out and in the world and no one bothering you, doing your thing. Look at this great tree. Look how whimsy this all is. So that kind of concludes the video. I very much enjoyed my 3-hour jaunt around Havering, climbing trees, being in rivers, surrounded by nature, as well as walking through the town centre, getting some insect repellent. This is a message to you to just go out and be in life and experience things, and things will come to you. Thanks. Bye.